On this edition of the Home Tip Show, we're going to show you an easy, do-it-yourself way to organize those cluttered kitchen drawers. Let's do it. So if you want to fix this problem, I found a little solution on Amazon that I think is going to solve the problem of how we organize this particular kitchen drawer. So what it is this piece of bamboo. It's got padding on this end and on the other end, and it's spring-loaded. Right? And that's for when you're configuring it in. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and actually I'm going to draw back just a little bit so you can get a wider view. You put it, say I want to divide this into thirds, right? So what I do is I push it against the back and then push it down on the front and there. And if I don't like the looks of this side where it's got a little bit of a different coloring there, let's take it back out, flip it over. This one's a little bit more uniform. Push it in again, so you can see it, push that in. You got quite a bit of play that you got to work with, and there it is, it's installed. We'll do the other one now. This one looks pretty good. We're gonna try to divide it in thirds. No need to be scientific, just push it in. And there we go. I have dividers installed. Now, if you search for this one, I'll put a link to this one and another one in the video description. They have a new one that I actually like a little bit better, that actually has little, I guess, cutouts. And so you can put and divide these, like you put these little pieces of bamboo in and divide these into further sections. I think the good thing about that one is that sometimes I find these have a tendency, over time, closing the drawer, they'll kind of move a little bit, and so you just kind of have to push it back to where it needs to be. I think the ones with the cutouts might stay in place better, but these, honestly, we've had no issue with them. We love them. We have them installed in this drawer. This is divided up into logical sections, with Dom having her section, I have a section, there's a tools section, there's a household section. And I think that's the only two drawers that we're using them in right now. But so I'm going to divide this up, all this mess up here into here, and we'll be right back. Okay, so there's what it looks like, all divided up. Plastic and wooden devices over here that we can use on some of our pans and pots. The metal devices in the middle, the metal spoons and spatulas. And then over here is everything related to measuring. So measuring cups, digital thermometer, measuring spoons. And it's all organized. It stays perfect. I tweaked a little bit. And we love them. Fantastic value, and a very easy do-it-yourself, in 5 minutes retrofit for your kitchen. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching the Home Tip Show. If our videos have helped you do something, provided entertainment, or increased your do-it-yourself skills, you can show your appreciation by, first, hitting the subscribe button. Subscriptions are very important to us and make this channel possible, so please consider subscribing to the Home Tip Show. Second, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. This tells the YouTube algorithm that the video is liked, thus it will prioritize it higher in their search results. Third, you can also ring the bell button, which will remind you within YouTube when we publish new videos. Finally, if you have any comments, questions, or input on this video, or would like to make suggestions for future videos, leave a note in the comments section or email us at thehometipshow@gmail.com. We read and respond to all comments and emails.